All right, 25 repos are trending right now. Here's what's worth your time.
Do you struggle to implement secure authentication in your Java or Android apps? jjwt, with almost 12,000 stars, is a pure Java library that makes creating and verifying JSON Web Tokens straightforward. It follows all the official RFC specifications for tokens, signatures, encryption, and keys. You can use it on the JVM or Android without any external dependencies. The library aims to be the easiest to use and understand for developers. It is open source under the Apache 2.0 license and maintained by a community of contributors. This tool handles the complex security details, so you can focus on building your app. Do you struggle to keep your component styles both maintainable and high performance? CSS-Blocks, with almost 7,000 stars, is an ergonomic authoring system that compiles to blazing fast style sheets. It combines an opinionated approach with build time analysis to rewrite your templates for optimization. You get one CSS file per component, scoped styles, and nearly non-existent runtime overhead. It also provides project-wide optimization and build time error checking. This tool aims to make your design systems easier to manage while keeping performance at the forefront. Do you ever get stuck on coding interview problems and wish you had clear Python examples to study? Cracking the Coding Interview 6th Edition Python solutions with almost 5,500 stars provides exactly that. This repository offers Python solutions for the famous book by Gail Lockman-McDowell. You can run any program directly with a simple Python command. To run the tests, just install PyTest and run the test suite. The solutions focus on demonstrating algorithms clearly, without unnecessary library shortcuts. It also accepts practical solutions using standard library functions when appropriate. Contributions are welcome, with separate pull requests for each solution you work on. Do you wish you could mirror your iPhone screen to a Raspberry Pi without buying extra hardware? RPiPlay, with almost 5,500 stars, is an open-source AirPlay mirroring server built for the Pi. It lets you stream video and audio from iOS 9 or newer devices directly to your screen. The tool uses the GPU for video decoding and a software decoder for audio to keep things smooth. For best results, use a wired network and compile with optimization flags. It works well on a Pi 3B Plus and even a Pi Zero, though the Zero may be a bit slower. This makes it a handy, free way to add AirPlay to any Raspberry Pi project. Do you struggle to find the right gadgets for your ROP exploitation in binary files? ROPgadget, with almost 4,500 stars, is a tool that searches your binaries for gadgets to facilitate your ROP attacks. It supports ELF, PE, and Mach-O formats across many architectures like x86, ARM, and RISC-V. You can install it easily from PyPI with a simple pip command. Once installed, you can run it directly from your command line to start searching for useful gadgets. This makes the complex process of ROP exploitation much more manageable for security researchers and developers. Do you struggle to build native desktop apps that work smoothly across Windows, Mac, and Linux? Meet You, a library with almost 4,000 stars that lets you create native cross-platform GUI apps. It provides a simple API for building user interfaces that feel right at home on any operating system. You can get started quickly with boilerplates for Node.js and C++, and explore sample apps like a desktop LLM client or a Slack alternative. The project is open source and encourages contributions, making it a solid choice for developers who want to avoid web-based GUI frameworks. Do you find yourself writing the same custom React hooks over and over for common tasks? Rooks, with almost 3,500 stars, is a collection of over 125 essential hooks to save you time. It is tree-shakeable, SSR-ready, and built with TypeScript for reliability. You can install it with npm or yarn and import exactly what you need. For example, useCounter and useToggle give you instant state management without the boilerplate. The hooks are well documented and ready for your next project. This tool helps you focus on building features instead of reinventing basic functionality. Do you ever need to quickly scan a list of websites for hidden secrets or API keys? Cariddi, with almost 3,500 stars, is a simple tool to crawl domains and find endpoints, secrets, and more. You feed it a list of URLs, and it automatically crawls each one, searching for exposed information like API keys, tokens, and file extensions. It is built in Go and can be installed easily with Homebrew, Snap, or directly from source. You can scan a single target by piping a URL into it, or use a file with multiple targets for batch processing. It even prints a version and help menu to get you started quickly. Do you ever get frustrated when a command line tool doesn't let you use arrow keys for history or basic editing? rlwrap, with almost 3,500 stars, is a simple wrapper that adds that comfort by using the GNU readline library. It lets you recall previous commands, edit your input with arrow keys, and even set up custom completion word lists. You can also program special effects using its filter mechanism. It is designed to work on a wide range of older Unix-like systems, from FreeBSD to Linux, making it a practical tool for legacy environments. If your command shows strange escape characters when you press arrow keys, just prefix it with rlwrap to get a much smoother experience. Do you ever need to translate a video's audio and subtitles, but find the process tedious and time-consuming? Chenyme-AAVT, with almost 3,500 stars, is a fully automated project that handles this for you. It uses Whisper for speech recognition and AI models to translate subtitles, then merges everything into a new video. The tool supports 全流成本地化, meaning you can run it entirely on your own machine for free. It also lets you generate marketing content from videos and offers GPU acceleration for faster processing. You can even use various translation engines like ChatGPT or Claude. This project aims to simplify the entire media translation workflow into a single, efficient tool. Do you wish your AI research assistant could run locally and keep a full, persistent loop of experiments without losing context? DeepScientist, with almost 3,000 stars, is a local-first autonomous research studio that handles everything from baselines to paper-ready outputs on your machine. It uses a 10-minute setup and features like findings memory and Bayesian optimization to turn each new result into the next starting point. You can launch one repo per quest, see visible progress, and take over human control anytime. Built-in runners include Codex, Claude Code, Kimi Code, and OpenCode, making it a powerful tool for deep, validated scientific exploration. Do you need a lightweight, fast PDF library for your next project? mupdf, with almost 3,000 stars, is a popular open-source solution. It is a C library focused on performance and small footprint. You can use it to render, search, and edit PDF files. It supports multiple formats, including PDF, XPS, and EPUB. The library is designed for embedded systems and desktop applications. It provides a clean API for developers to integrate. You can build it from source or use pre-compiled bindings. This makes it a solid choice for developers needing reliable document handling. Do you wish you could chat with your AI coding agent directly from your favorite messaging app? Claude-to-IM-skill, with almost 3,000 stars, aims to bridge that gap. This tool acts as a background daemon that connects your Telegram, Discord, or other IM bots to Claude Code or Codex sessions. It forwards your messages to the AI agent and sends back responses, including tool use and streaming previews. You get a lightweight, CLI-only setup to interact with your coding agent from almost any chat platform. It supports 5 major IM platforms, letting you choose any combination for your workflow. Ever needed to find all of someone's social media profiles just from their username? Nexfil, with almost 2,600 stars, is an OSINT tool that does exactly that. It checks a username across over 350 websites in just a few seconds, aiming for speed with low false positives. You can run it from the command line, process batches from a file, and it automatically saves your results. The tool is written in Python, and installation is as simple as a pip install. It is a fast and practical way to gather public profile information quickly. Do you wish your AI assistant could actually learn from your conversations instead of starting from scratch every time? Hermes-Agent, with almost 200,000 stars, is a self-improving agent that builds skills from experience and remembers who you are across sessions. It runs on a cheap VPS or serverless infrastructure and connects from Telegram, so you can talk to it anywhere. You can use any model you want, from OpenAI to local endpoints, and switch them without changing code. It features a full terminal interface with multi-line editing and streaming tool output. This agent grows with you, persisting knowledge and searching its own past conversations to provide a more personalized experience. Do you want to start learning data science but feel overwhelmed by where to begin? Beginner Data Science Projects, with almost 2,500 stars, offers a curated collection of hands-on projects for newcomers. Each project is a standalone Jupyter notebook you can clone and run immediately. You will learn data cleaning, exploratory analysis, machine learning, deep learning, and computer vision. The learning path guides you from fundamentals to more advanced topics, all with real datasets and clear explanations. It is designed for students, career switchers, and self-learners who want to build practical skills by actually building things. Do you wish your security scanning tools could autonomously find and fix vulnerabilities without constant oversight? The Defending Code reference harness with almost 3,300 stars is Anthropic's open-source implementation for that exact workflow. It provides a complete loop for autonomous vulnerability discovery and remediation using Claude, from initial reconnaissance through patching. You can customize the autonomous scanning harness to fit your own security pipeline. The repo includes skills for threat modeling, scanning, triage, and patching. While it is not actively maintained, it serves as a powerful reference for building your own automated security processes. It even offers a lightweight SDK walkthrough for the full find-to-patch cycle. Do you find writing unit tests for C and C++ to be overly complicated with too much boilerplate? Criterion, with almost 2,300 stars, is a cross-platform framework that makes it simple. It follows the KISS principle, so tests are automatically registered when you declare them. You do not need to write a main function unless you want special handling. It isolates tests in their own process, so crashes and signals are reported clearly. The unified header works for both C and C++, and it supports parameterized tests and real-time progress tracking. This gives you control without the usual setup hassle. Do you ever hit token limits or pay too much when your AI agent processes large logs or files? Headroom, with almost 15,000 stars, is a context compression layer that shrinks tool outputs, logs, and RAG chunks before they reach the LLM. It uses 6 reversible algorithms to cut tokens by 60 to 95% while keeping answers the same. You can use it as a library, a proxy, or an MCP server, and it works locally first. This means your AI agents stay efficient and cost-effective without changing how they work. Do you find linear algebra concepts hard to visualize and understand? Linear-Algebra-Made-Easy, with almost 2,200 stars. And yes, the content is in Chinese, but I will translate it for you. This repository uses Python and visualization to break down 66 topics across 2 books. It aims to make abstract math concepts clear through code and plots. You can learn by running the provided scripts and seeing the math come alive. It is a practical resource for students and developers who want to grasp linear algebra visually. The approach is straightforward and focuses on hands-on learning. Ever wanted to learn how to reverse engineer Android apps but didn't know where to start? AndroidReverse, with almost 2,200 stars, and yes, the content is in Chinese, but I will translate it for you, offers a full course series. It covers everything from setting up an emulator to advanced topics like Frida and UnitDBG. You will learn about APK structure, Smalley code, dynamic debugging, and bypassing security checks. The lessons are practical, showing you how to modify apps and understand their inner workings. This is a comprehensive guide for anyone serious about Android security research. Do you struggle to monitor the performance of your open-source applications without expensive enterprise tools? Scouter, with almost 2,200 stars, is an open-source APM tool that helps you track performance across your entire stack. It uses lightweight agents for Java applications on servers like Tomcat or JBoss, and it also monitors host systems like Linux and Windows. Beyond that, it integrates with Telegraph to watch services like Redis, Nginx, and Kafka. You can even visualize traces from Zipkin instrumentations in various languages using its scatter charts. Scouter gives you the context to manage system performance efficiently, all without the cost of proprietary solutions. Do you wish you could transform your videos with AI without dealing with complex editing software? Move, with almost 2,200 stars, is a plugin for Automatic 1111 that lets you process video frames directly. It packages everything back into a video after processing and includes a beta video editing feature. The tool dramatically reduces flicker by using keyframe compositing, and you can customize or auto-generate those keyframes. It works even better with the BG Mask plugin for smoother results. Currently, it is only available for Windows systems. Do you wish you could find the right LinkedIn leads without manually searching through endless profiles? OpenOutreach, with almost 3,000 stars, is a self-hosted tool that automates this for you. You simply describe your product and target market. The AI then generates search queries to discover candidate profiles. A Bayesian machine learning model learns which profiles match your ideal customer. It uses an explore and exploit strategy to balance finding the best leads now versus learning for the future. An LLM classifies each profile, and the model gets smarter with every decision. This all happens autonomously, saving you time and effort. Do you wish there was a single, reliable place to learn about reinforcement learning from human feedback? The rlhf-book, with almost 2,000 stars, is an open-source textbook that aims to be that resource. It provides a comprehensive guide to RLHF and a broad introduction to post-training language models. The author created it to document fundamental methods and industry practices that lacked canonical references. You can read it online, order a print copy, or join the community on Discord. It also includes code examples to serve as a home base for learners. This makes it a practical starting point for anyone wanting to understand how to make models more personable and effective.